Hi everyone, my name is Tal. I'm the owner of Tal's Patisserie, a bakery in Danville. And I'm here today to present to you a kit that we offer at the bakery. That's a cookie decorating kit for kids. It comes with 8 different cookies and we alternate our shapes periodically. Today we have here some cupcakes, teddy bears, we have a dinosaur, and we have a unicorn. We also have icings. It comes with 4 containers or bottles of icing in different colors. The colors we have today are purple and kind of blue turquoise. We have a tan kind of skin color. You can also see it as light pink and some yellow. And this comes in the kit, and we of course have sprinkles. So these are the things that come with the kit. Comes ready to go. And we're going to demonstrate and work a little bit and show you what you can do with it. And I have a guest with me today. Her name is Lila and she's 6. Can you say hi, Lila?
Hi.
And she's going to help us today. I'm going to decorate some cookies. We're going to start by choosing what cookie you want to start with first. And we decided to start with the cupcake shape.
We don't have to have sprinkles. Is this for fun?
Yeah, it's all for fun. So we're going to put our cupcake cookies on our papers. I work on parchment papers. I just think it keeps the table clean. But all of it is pretty easy to clean anyways. Do you have clean hands? Mm-hmm. Very good, very important.
But you need a lot of soap because you're going to be eating these after.
Absolutely. You need to clean your hands pretty well. Very well. Okay, so we have a cupcake shape in front of us and we're going to start. We can choose the icing we want to start with. I think I'm going to start with this neutral color, kind of a tan color, which to me looks like a cupcake holder maybe. You can choose if you want a different color. All right, so we started by bordering our cookies, right?
Yeah.
Now we're going to do just like a cupcake holder. You want to squeeze some stripes from side to side, just a few of them.
How many?
3 or 4. As many as you want, actually. It doesn't have to be anything precise. Very nice. One more, maybe?
Beautiful.
Nice. Now, if you want, would you like yellow frosting for your cupcake or blue frosting?
Blue.
Blue. So you'll take the blue and I will do yellow.
Wait.
And what you want to do is you just want to border, so you always have to kind of shake it down a little bit to get it to the bottom. Very good. And now you're going to just border, kind of like we started. Border the yellow around your cupcake.
But don't go too close to the edge.
No, that's a good point, because if you go too close to the edge, it might spill to the sides. Very good. Nyla?
Wait, like that?
Yeah. And now comes the fun part. What we were going to do is, let's pretend that we have a ton of different sprinkles and colors on it, right? So you're just going to take whatever color you want, and you're going to start just doing like all kinds of nice dots on top.
Can I have pink, please?
Absolutely. And then you can just have fun with it.
Wait. Can you put this back, please?
Yep.
Wait, actually, you can put it here because that's where all the colors
Sure.
are right now.
And you just have fun with it.
Can you do like 2 colors or just one dot, like color?
You can do 2 colors. You can do 3 colors. I'm going to do a little bit of the blue and a little bit of the purple, and just have fun with
It's
it.
just a little.
You just want it to be colorful.
You can do like any dots. You don't have to do dots like us.
That's correct. You can do
Oh my
other
gosh.
designs too.
Do you want pink?
You know what I think? I think we should maybe put a few sprinkles.
Well, you don't have to put sprinkles,
You
but
don't have
if
to.
you might,
But you can.
make
So I want to show you something really fun that you can do with a toothpick. Once you have all the colors on, sometimes you can just go with a toothpick and kind of
Well, you don't have to do that
don't
if
have
you
to do
like
that.
it beautiful.
It just makes it a little bit more
Wait,
creative,
you should
and
put-
it
you can
mixes
put
your colors a little bit.
Wait, can I put
And you
like
go
2
back and
colors?
forth. You have to, if you're using a toothpick, you have to use it right after you put all your colors,
Wait.
because if you wait too long, it's going to start drying and crusting, and then you can't do it anymore. Yes, Lila?
Tell.
Yeah.
Can I do like this, like fill in these parts
Sure. Why don't you do that?
with blue?
With blue if you want. So I'm
Can
kind
you
of
open this?
I'm kind of playing around with the toothpick to kind of get the icing to the
Can you
edges of
open
my cookie. Sure.
Thank
There
you.
you go.
Mine are.
So as you see, we're doing two different things, completely different ideas. Mine will look almost like a tie-dye frosting. And I'm trying to gently get the frosting to touch the edges of my border.
Like you
kind
could
of
do
like
like
this.
anything. Not you don't have to copy like you well
Whatever
you can
idea
get
you have.
inspiration,
That's correct.
just not copying.
That's right.
Well, if you wanna.
Nice. I think it looks beautiful. And then you can, if you want to fill in between the lines or you don't, I'm not going to even do that. I like this. Do you like what you did? Do you want to put a little bit sprinkles?
No, I'm not
No?
done yet.
Oh, you're not done yet. Okay. We can do that.
I'm gonna make all kinds of
Very nice.
colors.
So you can keep going. I'm going to put my cupcake one on the side here. And I'm going to take a new one to start with. So I'm going to just take
She's
my
gonna show
teddy
you
bear.
how to make the new one. I'm busy.
That's fine. I'm moving to my teddy bear. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tan color and I'm going to squeeze all around my teddy bear. Let's get it down a little bit so it gets to the edge.
And you don't have to do like whatever Tal's doing or me, because
That's right.
like I didn't copy Tal because I thought I could make my own masterpiece.
All I'm doing
can.
is bordering the teddy
Can
bear.
you give me a Q-tip, please?
Yes, I can.
Thank
There
you.
you go. I bordered my teddy bear and I'm going to do some eyes. Oh, I see you're also doing a little tie-dyeing on yours.
Yeah, not a little bit. I'm
Okay.
doing like a little bit.
Okay.
Not that much tie
So I'm doing eyes, and Lila is doing a little bit of tie-dyeing on hers. And we're gonna do
Kind of.
some buttons on
But just a
my
little
bear.
bit. I don't like too much.
Okay.
I like this.
Let's do a little
Wait,
smile for
I-
him. Okay, what else? A little sprinkles now?
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea. Put
Wait,
a little sprinkles on yours.
Wait, you didn't put any sprinkles on yours?
Nope, I didn't put sprinkles on mine. But you can put if you want.
Rainbow deep.
Or we can do...
And you don't have to put sprinkles.
you don't
Like
have
Tal didn't.
to. I didn't.
She
I'm
didn't
gonna
feel
fill
like she wanted
the ears
extra.
a little bit for my
Like
bear.
you don't like if you're feeling rainbowy, you don't
Mm,
have to put
paws.
sprinkles. But if you're not feeling rainbowy and you do want to put sprinkles, you can.
That's right. Are you done with your cupcake?
Yep,
Very cool. Let's put your cupcake
beautiful.
up here. Beautiful.
Can I have the teddy bear?
Yes, you can.
I have a really good idea for him.
Teddy bear. You go creative
But
with
you
your teddy
have
bear.
to outline.
Yeah, I think outlining is the way to go. And I am going to start
How do you? Uh-oh.
with
I
my
know,
unicorn. So I have a unicorn here. And with the unicorn, I'm actually going to start from the horn from the top. I'm going to squeeze a little bit to fill the horn here. And then I'm going to go color by color and do the hair. Now it's really important to close the bottles between uses because icing can dry. So
But
I'm
could dry
having
really
fun.
good.
Nice job, Lila.
If you've been to Tal Patisserie, you'll see that the cookies dry out.
They do dry out. That's right. The icing dries out.
Do you?
What do you need?
I like your unicorn.
You like my
Wait,
unicorn?
Can I do
I'm
the
working on-
dinosaur after the
Yes. Finish.
I
doing it.
need purple.
I'm
What's right in front of me?
alternating.
Purple's just right in front. Wait, Tal.
Yeah, dear.
Didn't you forget to cap too?
I forgot to cover, but I'm going back to them in 1 second,
I
so
love them.
I didn't feel like I needed to cover.
Red one dot here.
All right, we're going down. So I'm making the hair for my unicorn and then the eye for my unicorn. I can go even more. Can I take? Oh, the blue, I have it here. I'm going to do a little bit
Yeah,
more
I'm
hair.
not using the blue.
Okay.
I just
do
did
a
that for
little
now.
bit, kind of like curls
I think he's gonna hold some.
for my fancy unicorn. And I'm almost done with it.
And it doesn't have to be like Tal's or mine.
It is not. Absolutely. Let's do a few curls here.
Maybe a dot
Just
here.
to finish with my unicorn. Oh, that has a lid on.
Maybe dots. Can I?
That's
use
it. Oh, I did my unicorn.
Now
It's ready to go here. How are you doing, Lila? Beautiful. Look at your teddy bear.
One unicorn, please.
All
And
right. You done with your teddy bear?
And since there's not 2 dinosaurs, we're not gonna do both of the dinosaurs.
You're gonna finish your unicorn, and I'll do the dinosaur. Okay?
You do dinosaur.
I'll do the dinosaur. It'll be a colorful dinosaur.
And it doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be the exact icing colors we're using.
No. And I'm gonna show something that I will do with the back of the dinosaur.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna kind of play with the colors here, and I'm going to alternate dots.
You know what? I
of the
know what I'm gonna
colors.
do. You know what?
And
Wait,
then I'm
Tal.
gonna show you just a
You
minute.
forgot
There.
to outline the unicorn.
Yeah, I'm not outlining. I'm doing something a little different with the unicorn.
Nancy, and wait, you don't need to outline the unicorn.
You can do whatever you want.
Oh.
What I'm doing with the
Tal,
dinosaur is a little bit. That's okay. You can always clean it a little bit.
can you wait? How? With fingers?
Here you go. And that for you. Now you can continue.
And I can do the horn now.
Yep.
Well, the horn doesn't have to be gold. You
So
can be
what I'm doing
creative.
here, if you can look closely, when you connect circles like this, you remember that, Lila?
Yeah, it looks like a braid.
It looks
kinda.
like a braid. Kind of. You can connect circles and make beautiful design,
That's
almost
exactly
like
what I'm
connected
doing right now.
hearts.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
I will do another one next to it so you
One
can
dot
see.
here. And you might have accidentally dripped it.
Nothing happens. This is a creative project.
Like
Nothing
if it
has to be
accidentally
perfect.
dripped, it's like there's no trouble. You just
Can I get the yellow for a second?
Yeah.
Thank
I
you.
think I did a little too much icing.
Okay.
But don't lick your hands.
No, we're not licking when we're working. You're right. We're keeping clean hands.
Can I use the purple after you?
You can use the purple. And now I'm connecting them.
Make sure you don't make the perfect dot. Just be creative.
Yep.
How do you unpop this thing?
Just
Okay.
like that. And I'm going to do one more of this. And then, Lila, I'm going to let you continue and have fun with your creations. Do you enjoy this project?
Yeah, I
Yeah?
hope you have fun with it. Because it's fun.
It is fun, right?
But remember to reuse your toothpick. Don't just throw it away.
Yeah, if it's clean enough, you can reuse it. If not, we have plenty of them. Okay, I'm
No,
going
we
to do
have
it
3.
one more time. Finish my design here. This was only one idea. And again, it's very creative. You can do many different shapes and ideas. And if you have leftover icings, you can always go back and add to it. This takes about half an hour to dry. This is a royal icing that we're using, so it does dry pretty fast. And then after that, you have an iced cookie, just like a bakery cookie, and you can enjoy them.
What color eye should I do?
Should we let you continue and say goodbye to the camera, and then you'll continue working on your creation?
I hope you have fun with it. But it's kind of hard, so just...
It's not that hard. I hope you enjoy it and have fun, and we'll see you next time.